Hi guys, so I have a flight today going to Germany. Apparently, Emirates suddenly required a rapid testing for all passengers, even though Germany doesn't require me to actually have a test. But because the airline wants to, then we cannot get in. So I'm back here in Philippines. Woo! Welcome back. And I'm flying again later because I already have my test, and good thing it's negative. The only test that you wish to be negative. Anyway, so while waiting for my flight tonight, I decided to create 2 videos. I'm gonna show you my bag and what's inside it, because I'm going to travel during COVID, and I just want to make sure that I'm safe, because it's really scary to travel right now. And what are the things that I prepared before I do, just to be sure, right? So this is my bag. It's so heavy. I don't usually travel with heavy bags, but because it's COVID time, I really have to. I have no choice, sadly. So the first thing I'll show you is my N95 mask. Yes, I have one, just to be sure. Inside the plane, I plan not to eat or drink or anything. I just have to wear this the whole time just to be safe, okay? I also have a scarf, just in case I need to cover my whole face. I don't know, but maybe there's a chance that I might need it, so who knows. I have my DJI. This is what I'm using to film this now, my DJI Pocket. I do have this. This is my mouthwash. I'm using my silicone travel bottle. If you want it, you can buy it in my shop. It's Clean Earth Wash. We have it in Lazada and in Shopee as well, if you want cheaper shipping. Yeah, so this is leak proof, so it's okay to be in my bag. I don't mind, because I know it's definitely leak proof. And I usually have mouthwash with me because I don't like having bad breath. I just feel like, when I feel I didn't talk for a long time, or I'm just not doing anything, I need to take this. And usually if you have long flights, they actually give you toothbrush, but I don't like the toothpaste that they give usually, so I'm bringing my own mouthwash instead. Also, I have my mist. Yeah, disinfectant mist. So I mist myself. It's so funny. I was misting myself the whole time. I think I'm addicted to this. If you want this mist, I'm putting the link below. You can buy it. My friend sells this, so it's really good. You can put here anything. You can put water, but here I'm putting alcohol so that it's safe. So I can disinfect the surrounding, because it travels everywhere, so the bacteria is airborne. We have to disinfect the air, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, that's one. You might think I'm crazy, but it's better to be crazy right now than be sick. I have another of my bottle, and this is a refill of the alcohol, because who knows, I might finish this. So that's it. And I also have, of course, my Boopy water bottle. Yes. So in NAIA, they actually have water refilling station after you finish the security check and the immigration officers. So I usually fill it up after that, so that I have water with me all the time, because I don't want to click all the time. And if ever you always ask water from the flight attendants, they will give you a cup of plastic. I don't like using plastic. I love being eco-friendly, so I usually have a tumbler with me, so that if ever I need water, I'll just ask them to refill it for me if ever I need it. And you need to be hydrated. The problem with me right now is that I cannot choose the seats that I have to, and usually I choose the aisle seat because I pee a lot. Like after drinking, I pee, so I'm not sure how I can stay hydrated this time, because I don't want to, you know, ask them all the time so I can go out. But at some point I definitely will, because my bladder is like hell. So those people who are sitting beside me, good luck to you guys, because I'll definitely go to pee every time. I'm so... Anyway, so I also have wet wipes. Of course, I need to wipe my seat and everything else. After wiping it, I have to disinfect it. So the thing is, I don't really like using wipes because it's not eco-friendly, but I have no choice this time. I just have to make sure that this is disposed properly. What else? So I have my Clean Earth straw. Of course, who knows, I need a straw anytime, so I can use this. It's reusable, so that I use less plastic. So I usually travel very sustainably. I don't like creating more waste or using plastic, so that, you know, it's good for the environment. I love traveling, and I love that we're protecting the environment, because if it's gone, I cannot travel anymore, right? That's it. And flying in plane already has a lot of emissions. I also need a notebook with me all the time, because this is the time when you don't really do anything. This time I'm planning to read 2 prospectus. Usually I have a book with me, but this time I have 2 prospectus to read, and that's Aerate and that's Converge for my next vlogs. So that's why I need a... Yeah, I usually bring my black notebook, but this time I brought this because I have a lot of things to do still, and I have to remind myself I need to prepare for the virtual expo and a lot of stuff. I'm really having a lot of stress right now. Anyway, so this is my wallet. Loving it. It's so manipis. That's why I like it. I'm not opening. Why am I opening it? This is my what do you call this? Yeah, this is where I put my passport and all the important stuff that I need to enter the airport. And always have a pen with you. Don't forget it. Always have one. And I always also bring 1x1 and 2x2 picture with me. I don't know why, but I just do, just in case I need it. And of course, I have my chargers, and yeah, I'm using the other wire right now, but this is where I put my charger and my power bank. Very important to have power bank with you, because during the time you're not in the plane, I don't know where you can find a charger. So this is very important. Of course, I need something to brush my hair. I don't really brush my hair, honestly, but just in case, I have it with me. And it's foldable. See? Love it. And of course, I have another spray alcohol. I have spray alcohol with me all the time, because I don't want to open it and then spill it. You know, it's better if you just spray it, and then you can also clean it like that afterwards. Aside from that, I also have this with me, just in case, you know, I need to do it first before I put my hands inside my bag, because who knows, you know, if I touch something. I have my Celufresh with me as well, because I have a very dry eyes all the time. My eyes is dry, so I have to put this all the time. I have extra ball pen and I have extra hand sanitizer. So as you can see, I'm super sanitized. I love sanitizing everything right now. This is from Human Nature. I love this particularly because of the smell, and it kills 99.99% germs, and there's no harmful chemicals, and it smells so good. It smells like, you know, citronella with mint and all that stuff. I super love it. I don't know why not everyone wants this. I usually just use it because I love the smell. So yeah, bring one with you. So I have my third alcohol with me, and of course I have extra pens. So one thing about me as well is that I love colorful pens. I have one big pen pencil case that it's in my other bag. I am not showing that because that's a lot as well, but I always have different color, you know, pens with me. I don't know why I didn't bring my green one. I always have a green pen because that's my favorite color, but these are my pens. Awesome. What else? Of course, I usually bring like 5 lipsticks with me as well because I don't know, I love lipsticks. I just always bring lipsticks. I think I always buy lipsticks as well, and I don't use everything. I just use usually 1 or 2 of them, but it's like, I don't know why I do that. I'm just addicted to lipsticks. So I'm just showing you my favorite. It's the Russian red. I always use it, and I just, you know, tap 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 tap. It's like, just it makes your lips look so fresh, like it's real, you know. I have a dark lip, so I want to cover it all the time. Anyways, that's basically it. You've seen everything inside my bag. I hope when you travel, you also stay protected. Di bali nang mukha kang baliw like me, you go crazy like me, because at the end of the day, health is wealth. It's very important. Don't risk it. Don't be crying afterwards and you say, I have coronavirus. No. Please be careful all the time. I have my eyeglass with me as well. I just left it in the car, but I have that, and I'm gonna show you my picture later so that you can see how, you know, careful we are in terms of traveling and trying to be sustainable as well, as much as we can. That's it. I hope you learned something new. I'm gonna tell you more about my COVID journey, the whole travel experience on a different video, of course, because it's gonna be very long. It's already 15 minutes. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you like my what's in my bag COVID travel series, and I hope everybody's safe, and that's it. Bye.